Welcome back to Wearholic guys. Today we have Fitbit Versa 3 in our studio and we are going to be doing quick unboxing and sharing my initial impressions. This right here is the olive color variant of the Fitbit Versa 3. On the front you will find that box has this Versa 3 graphics. Along with that you see GPS Plus smartwatch branding here. On the left side of the box you will find some guidelines along with warnings. As you can see, it has a contain nickel warning, so if you are allergic to nickel, then avoid Versa 3. Not a lot of smartwatches provide this information, so it's good to see Fitbit doing its due diligence. On the back you are going to find some features listed like access to Alexa and Assistant, music storage, call and notification, etc. I am going to be talking about them in detail very soon, so get subscribed if you haven't already. There are some useful details here as well, like manufacturing. As you can see, this particular unit is made in Taiwan and was manufactured in March 2022. On the right side of the box, these features are represented using symbols. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So you get a white box with an almost transparent Fitbit logo. Cool, it opens like a notebook. There you go, Versa 3 looks pretty sleek and small. Look how it looks next to the Amazfit GTR 4 that I am currently daily driving. We are going to be diving into the watch a bit more later. Let's see what else you are going to get. You get an extra strap. Yep, you only get the bottom strap, as you can increase or decrease the strap size by switching between the large and small straps. This one is the large strap and pre-installed one is the small strap. Below that is a product information guide. This usually has terms and conditions for warranty, troubleshooting and other useful tips. On the left you will find the charger. It is a magnetic wireless charger. Let's open it up. This is pretty nice. Below the charger is the quick start guide containing information about how to set up the watch. I will be back after setting up the watch. I have set up the watch now and it took almost 2 hours for Versa 3 to get updated. So you have been warned beforehand. By default, the watch comes with a small strap installed, but you can replace it with the large one provided. The display looks gorgeous. It is a 1.58-inch AMOLED display and it is a little small watch. So if you don't like bulky watches, then this will be perfect. I will have to use it a little more to pass judgment. Who knows, maybe this will grow on me. One thing that I am finding weird right now is the user interface. Swiping up from below will bring your widgets like weather, health metrics and more. Swiping down from above brings your notifications. Swiping left to right gives you access to some quick settings. The right to left swipe will show you your app drawer. I've gotta say it, I like Watch 4, Garmin or Amazfit menu designs easier to navigate. This is not as intuitive and easy to use. Another thing that I feel the same way about is this side's touch sensitive button, and weirdly it only works when I am touching it with my fingernails. Maybe I'll get used to it or not press it correctly. By the way, I am using the small strap here and changing them is pretty simple. However, I can't say whether or not they can survive high pressure from activities like swimming. I would recommend subscribing as I'll be coming out with the review very soon. I'll be sharing how well it actually held up during my day-to-day usage there. There was also some issues with my first night's sleep tracking, as the watch failed to track my sleep, and weirdly enough it tracked me sleeping when I left the watch in my bag. So this was my initial impression of the Versa 2. I have still a lot of features to use and test, so don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to talk or cover specific feature in my review video, then leave it in the comment. Meanwhile, you can check out our other smartwatch videos on our channel. I would recommend checking our Amazfit T-Rex 2 rugged smartwatch review. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.